Have you ever paid thanks to your art and craft teacher? How much hardworking he is? So once again I am giving you a chance, and I would like to call Sandeep sir here, and please clap for him, everyone. He has always been motivating me for the art and craft activities, and I am also able to see how students are performing, how good art and craft students are doing summer vacation activities, how they are performing. And this is all because of Sandeep sir. Thank you, sir. So I would like to tell about how he has come up through this whole journey in his life. When he was a student, he was having his interest in art and craft activities. Like a school gives you a chance to become an all-rounder student. All have different abilities. All the students, they are having different capabilities. Some can be good at art, some can be good in sports, some can be good at academics. So you have to improve yourself in all the fields, and you have to find out your talent, search your talent in which you are good, and you have to just enhance that talent, so that like in future when you will have to see for your job, it should be with passion. Whatever job you choose, you should do that work with a passion, and that passion and that interest, if any field you are having, in any field if you are having an interest, then that job you will be able to do. Okay, with sir is very hard working. He has always given his best in decorating the stage during all your functions, all your activities. Sir is doing so much hard work. You must be seeing in the whole school, everywhere on the display boards, and so many paintings he has made. So now I would like to display his paintings, and I would like to ask you the message that the painting will give. Firstly, I would like to call the Saksham and Vineet from class 9. They will come here and they will show the paintings one by one. And you have to guess what message that painting gives. The students tell. What do you get? What message do you get? Think deeply. Okay. Just apple you are able to see? Means you are just able to see the materialistic things. Think deeply into it. Otherwise, then sir will tell you its correct meaning.
In this painting, one child is there that he is reading and eating also. Have to be punctual, and you have. So this is the motto of this painting.
Really, it shows your focus, your attention towards your work, your dedication towards your work. Now let's see the next painting. Yes? Blessings of God.
In this painting, God is there, that blessings are coming from there, that God is blessing, giving her blessing on us.
Painting was depicting that whenever we are alone or we are in good or bad times, we should always remember Almighty and His blessings. When we will pray from our inner soul, His blessings will ultimately, they will affect us. They will be always showered into us. Already God is showering all His blessing onto us, but just we have to meditate, we have to pray Him. Then you will be able to receive His blessings. Now let's see the next painting. Ayush. It's a mother and child painting. Now sir will tell.
In this painting, mother's love for child is there. So how mother is caring her child, that is showing in this painting. So this is the motto of this painting. Okay.
Your mother loves you unconditionally. Mother's love for a child cannot be depicted in words. It is unconditional. It has no boundaries and we can't define it. So let's see the next painting. Yes, Vidisha. God's love. Okay. It's such a beautiful painting. It depicts children's love with God. Like how pure are children? Because children are not affected by so much social norms. They love God unconditionally, and God too loves them because children mind it is free of all unfairness or different things in that happen in the society. Now let's see the next painting.
Yes, in this painting, it shows that nature is everywhere. In this painting, one lady is there that she is playing everywhere, upside on planets and downside sea, mountains, animals, birds, everywhere. She is playing like as a freely condition, like this as a bird. That bird is playing everywhere now in sky. Same as the nature is playing everywhere as like a lady. So this is the main theme of this painting.
It was true, sir. Let's see the next painting. Okay, God helps everyone. This you are telling?
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
see. What's
In this painting, it shows that God is helping us.
that whenever we just put one step towards God, God will put 10 steps towards us. He is always ready to help us. The thing is that we have to be aware. We just have to remember God. He is always ready to help us. Now let's see the next painting.
Yes, students? Yes, it shows the color of nature.
Painting we have learned in science also. We can't see an object until light falls into it, and that light after reflection enter into our eyes. Then only we are able to see the color of any object. At night, why we are not able to see in a dark room? Because there is no light, and when our eyes are able to see only when something light enters into our eyes after reflection. So same thing, God is everywhere. We just have nature is everywhere. We just have to think upon it.
Beauty of nature.
In this painting, the nature is there also, and then another message also, that steps are there. So the steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord. So when we
It depicts that we should follow the path that God shows to us. Sometimes some dishonest things may come into our mind that this will give us benefit, let's do this. But that ways will lead you nowhere. So always follow the right path that God has shown. and with right path you will always certainly achieve the best in your life. Now let's see the next painting.
Yes, beauty of nature. The beauty of nature is everywhere. That it shows only.
Showing the nature. And nature also teaches us in a great ways. So we should learn from nature. Let's see the next painting.
Yes, students. Yes, same as beauty of nature. All these beauties God has given to us. So this it shows that beauty is everywhere in our nature. Okay.
Painting also depicts hope in nature, like after night, day comes. So we should always be positive in our behavior. Let's see the next painting.
Yes, same. The theme is also beauty of nature.
We should always ask God to guide our ways. He is present everywhere in the nature.
God blessings on others.
Think little bit more. A balance is maintained by God. Your good deeds, your bad deeds, everything God is counting. Okay. So God is maintaining the balance between all, and you will always get whatever you will sow. Worrying doesn't change anything. Like if you will worry, it will just waste your time. But if you will take steps towards it, if you will think positive, something you will get instead of wasting your time and destroying your mind, power, etc. Let's see the next painting. So have you enjoyed the paintings?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also want to draw such beautiful paintings?
Yes,
So what you have to do, you have to follow the guidelines. Sir will be teaching you these art and craft skills, different, the minute things that you have to take care while drawing a painting, while doing any art and craft activity. Sir will teach you all the minute things, as sir is always doing also. And so what all benefits you will get from this? Can you tell me how it will help you in your longer life? Anyone want to speak about it? Utility of having these skills in your life. Yes, who was speaking? Yes, Aman? Yes. Our mind will become creative. It gives our peace of mind. It gives relaxation to our mind when we do painting. We go into its depth. It gives so much relaxation to our mind that we forget all our worries and we get a positive energy from it. So you also want to make such beautiful paintings?
yes,
It will be beneficial for you also and for the one who see them. Okay. And this art and craft field, don't think it doesn't have any option. You have so many options for your, if you want to have this in your higher education. There are many interior designers are there. Okay, many good painters who are getting a good salary package and they are enjoying their work and they are getting something for it, and side by side it is helping others also, like they will have a peace of mind when they will look at a painting. So with this I inform one more thing. you will be taking parts, you will be participating for different art and craft activities outside your school, like inter-school competitions are organized, even district level competitions are organized too. So you will be given more chance from the school side to participate in different district level, state level, national level activities. And I hope you will learn more from sir.
Tell you about the details of art and craft work. So many things are there in art and craft, that clay modeling, thermocol craft, wood craft, sculpture, painting, waste material craft work. So many things are there. So we want that you have to do this work. That's why this is the we have shown to you. So that you have to take interest, and we will give you chance. You want to take part in art and craft?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will give you shape properly. It's my duty, and you have to follow your duty. Okay?